Hey y'all, welcome back to the kitchen for another episode of What's Cooking with the Bear. I am very fortunate to have family members that are really good deer hunters, so I get venison. So I got a bunch of venison from a family member, my brother. Thanks, bro. So today we are going to make sloppy joes, venison sloppy joes. Sounds good to me. Sounds good to you. Sit back, relax, and I'll get to cooking. All right, y'all. To get this started here, uh, we're using venison, like I said. So we're gonna get. I got some thick cut bacon, about 4 slices there. Venison doesn't have a whole lot of fat in it, so we're gonna use the bacon as our kind of a lubricant, but to kind of make it, taste better. So not that there's anything wrong with venison, but we just need the fats. So I'm gonna get this kind of started and rendered up, and then we'll get to browning our venison. Alright, y'all, we got that bacon mostly rendered down, so we're gonna pull it out of the pan. And we don't need all this grease, or all this tallow, or whatever you want to call it. So we're gonna, like I said, pull the bacon out. We're going to dump a little bit of the grease out of it, out of the pan. And then we're going to cook our there we go. So now we'll get our venison. I'm going to turn my heat down a little bit. This is 2 pounds of venison. I'm lucky to have family members that are avid deer hunters, because I get all the benefits of the venison without having to go out and sit my butt in the cold woods. So, all right, y'all. I'm gonna throw a lid on this. Let this cook down, and once it cooks, we'll bring you guys back. Alright, y'all, while this is starting to cook up here, or brown up, we're going to add ourselves a little bit of black pepper. This is all to taste. Some black pepper. I got a little onion powder here. I'm going to throw just a little bit of salt in here. And then we're also going to add some minced garlic, because, I like minced garlic. I like garlic. So, alright. Get that all mixed in there. Get our meat all broke up. Crumbled up here. She's cooking up nicely. Alright. I'll throw the lid back on this and let it finish browning up. And that's done. I will definitely bring you all right back. Alright, y'all. Got that that venison. Mostly all browned up. She's still just a little bit pink, but this is good time. We're going to add some peppers and onions to it. About a cup. You don't want it to be the dominating flavor or taste to the sloppy joes, so got those in there. I'm going to throw the lid back on her, let them kind of steam a little bit and cook, and then we'll come back and finish these off. Alright, y'all. Got that those onions and peppers all softened up and ready to go, we're going to add our bacon back in, because bacon makes everything better. And we're going to add approximately a cup and a quarter of ketchup. If we can get it to come out of the bottle. Now you can add more or less if you want. That's what I add. We got our ketchup in there. Now I use a can of tomato paste also, just to add to the flavor. Okay, we got that added. Now we need about a tablespoon or so of yellow mustard. There we go. Now I add about a tablespoon, maybe a tablespoon and a half of Worcestershire sauce. And we'll go ahead and go 2. This is 2 pounds, so. Alright. Got all that. Now I add about a tablespoon of brown sugar. Maybe a little more, to kind of cut the acidity of the tomatoes, so, and it doesn't deter from the flavor. So get this all mixed in there together. Oh, she's escaping the pan, y'all. Alright, that looks fairly mixed fairly well. Still got a few little spots of mustard in there. Whoops, I keep spitting it out of the pan here, y'all. I should have used a bigger pan, but alright. Alright, that looks pretty mixed. Now, just need to throw the, now you want to taste it here in a little bit. Let me get that meat off that burner there. Put all that back in there. So, alright. Now, I'm going to turn the heat down to just low or medium low, and because we don't want to burn it, but we just want it to kind of simmer and let all them flavors mingle, and it'll thicken up a little bit. I mean, it's pretty thick as it is right now, but so kind of get that. Sorry about that, I'm still mixing, but anyways, put the lid on it, let it simmer, let all them flavors mix, and you're ready to eat. So let me get that done and clean up a little bit, and we'll bring you back. Alright, y'all, it's time to dish up some of this goodness here. We got ourselves a nice sesame seed brioche bun, fresh from the grocery store, from the bakery section. So that is like goodness there, y'all. So got that. I got me some corn chips, so get this ready to go. We'll do our taste test. Alright, y'all, got our sloppy Joe, sloppy Joe. Mmm. Mmm. Yo, you can't get that taste from a can. Mmm. Mmm. That is heavenly. Now, some of y'all might not like venison. This recipe works great with regular beef. Also works with a turkey. And I also forgot to say when I was mixing it up, uh, if you're all diabetic or on a diet or whatever and don't want the sugar, you can use the low sugar ketchup and the Splenda dark brown or Splenda brown sugar. Actually works really great in this recipe. Can't tell the difference in the taste though. It's awesome. So, all right, there you have it. Venison Sloppy Joes. Sloppy Joe. Sloppy Joe. You know, lunch lady. You all. So, anyways, I'm rambling. Love you all. Thank you all for watching. If you like this, please hit the thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Get all the notifications. Make sure you ring the bell. And we'll bring you some more cooking videos, some more garden tractor pulling videos, some shop videos, you know, a little bit of life. That's what we do here on the channel. So love you all again. And as always, bon appetit.